Hi, my name is Ivan Lopez. I present to you my activity. How do the shank and fly today? Step by step, loosen the bolts that hold the rim. Next, we have to place the hydraulic jack under the car and spot where it went. Won't damage any part of the hand. It should be hard on the firm area. Completely remove the bolts. Remove the thread. The flat thread with a professional. Repeat step 1 and 2, but in reverse. Lower the hydraulic jack and you head it on. Next, I present to you the imagining of the correct process so you can understand it better. Finally, one imagine and the short video. Thanks you for your attention.